Hey guys, it's Candy with another hair review. Today we're reviewing this hair from Lavy.com and it's packaged in a nice satin dust bag. Let's see what's included. We have their pamphlet, yes, and it gives all of the care instruction about the hair and how to contact them. They also have included a wig cap, which you may or may not use. I didn't use it for today's install, but you have that option. So let's get straight to the star of the show, which is this wig. This is their Peruvian Kinky Straight Wig, 200%. Yes, and it is 24 inches in length, guys. Let's see how the cap is looking. I can tell based on the initial touch and how it looks that it is well constructed, made with quality material, and it is very sturdy. Yes, I know I will have no issues with this. It's well secured. They have three major comb attachments, as well as for the V section, it is a V part wig. They have all of 5 combs for, security. All right, so it doesn't have a lace for me to cut, so I'm super happy about that. So it is nicely, as I said before, made with a nice lace embellishment on the underside. But let's look at the texture, guys. Oh my God. It couldn't look and feel more natural. But anywho, let's get straight into the install. I already have my hair braided down, yes, and a section left out in the front for a middle part leave out, which is necessary for this V part wig. And I also, yes, went ahead and did initial brushing out because I wanted to see if it is shedding, and it is not. So my first impression is that this is a well-made quality wig that will not give me any issues. So I'm going to go right ahead with the installation. I am starting by, attaching those 5 clips right in the V in the front section, just to secure that part and make sure that it is well laid. And once I get that done, then I'm going to just move on to, securing the other combs all the way around from the sides and around to the other side, and then the back. Yes. And it does have, like you saw before, 2 different attachments for adjusting the straps so that you can tighten or wear it as loose as you so choose. I am actually securing that initial band in the back so that it is a little bit tighter and firmer on my head. And guys, can I tell you, when I did that security check, it was ready for the road. I can go on a roller coaster. I can go get a bike ride. I can get in a fight. Oh, yeah, I'm joking. I do not fight. But yeah, guys, look at the length of this hair. Look at the texture of the hair. The hair is super soft, even though it's so long. It is lightweight and the texture is to die for. So let me go right ahead with the blending process. And I said before, I'm wearing a middle part. And so I did, part that section in the front. And I'm going to use my Babyliss flat iron for the styling or the flattening on the smoothing of my hair in the front, just so it could blend a little bit more perfectly with the wig. I did a cool temperature on this hair though, because I'm not playing about my natural hair and it really doesn't need to be bone straight. So I just wanted to pass it along just to smooth it out a little bit so it blends better. Now the cap on this wig was a medium cap. As you saw, it's black. It's very comfortable and very stretchy, I must say that. So it doesn't feel uncomfortable on the head at all. So let me go ahead now and add a little bit of edge control so I can blend my hairline in with the wig so it looks more natural. The wig on its own is very natural, looks very realistic, and it mimics your own natural hair. You can trick the crowd, and you can go with a shorter length if you so choose. If your natural hair is not very long and you want something that's very realistic, you can go with a shorter length. But I just wanted to be dramatic, so I went for the 24 inches. All right, and the upgraded V part is just perfect for the leave out. You don't need any gel for this wig. You don't need any glue, no spray. Guys, it's 100% human hair. Come on now. It cannot get any better. And I just kept brushing this. I was obsessed with brushing the hair, and there was absolutely no shedding. I don't know if you understand. And it blends so well with my hair in the back. It is looking very nice, very natural, very easy to wear. And at the same time, it is just very versatile. So if you did not want to necessarily go with wearing the hair down all the time, you do have the option. There I go again, brushing and brushing and brushing away. Yes. And if you don't believe me, look, not a strand in sight. Yes. Yeah. So I was saying before, so if you do not want to wear the hair down all the time, you can, easily just, swoop it to the side. Yes. Still don't wearing it down, but yeah, just changing it up a little bit. And you can do a low ponytail in the back, or you can, pin it up with one of these claw clips for a quick, easy updo. Wanting to go to run errands but don't feel like being bothered with all of the hair, then you can easily clip it out of the way. No issues, no problems, and it looks very natural. I cannot, stress enough how natural this looks. Or if you want to get a little bit, playful, you could do some braids, which I'm doing. And braids are, that type of style that you can actually do them to make them look casual, but at the same time you can do braids and they look, somewhat dressy. So this could, double as a casual look, or you could pin it for a nice Victorian updo if you have to go, out. So that's what I'm doing, just pinning it in the back and just trying to play with the styles just a little bit to see, what are the options. But the options are endless. You can curl this wig if you so choose, yeah, it's just awesome. Love it. Love the length. It's just giving me boss girl vibes right now. Yeah, so guys, be sure to check out all the links down below. I will leave a bunch of links down below. And most importantly, there's a link for a $10 off coupon. So if you do choose to, get your hands on this wig, you can save your coins. Yes, in the description box, the links to the hair, all the links to all of their different options, their social media pages, everything about lavyhair.com is there. Look at the texture, guys. I cannot make this up. But thank you guys so much for checking out today's video. If you're not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that you can become a part of the Natural Hair Not Mix gang. Thanks for watching, and we will talk on my next one. Bye.